Hey everybody, it's 1 p.m. and 15 seconds on January 11th. This is the main drawing for the Spider-Man 14 3.5 First Green Goblin. Over here are the 56 filled spots. We had 3 minis help fill these spots. Alright. Whoever comes in first place is going to win the slab. I actually may be able to get it out in today's mail for you. If I can't get it out today, unfortunately, it's not going to ship until Monday. All right. So let's find the new home for this beautiful book. The number is 9. I'm going to randomize 9. Tongue-tied. I'm going to randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list will get the slab. Best of luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here comes the final one. 9. Tony Hull, spot 3 from mini number 1. Congratulations. Time is 1:01 and